Hi everybody! So I thought I'd do a quick update because I haven't done one in a few months. We've been kind of busy with getting ready for school, and also we had a double birthday party this past weekend, so it's been kind of hectic. And on top of all that, I injured my finger trying to cut up an avocado. I decided that the knife needed to be in my hand, I guess. So that's kind of made me have to take a pause for right now until I can get it healed, and then I can hopefully get started back on building the spider. I did get his head done, and I got the lights in his eyes, and I can't wait to show you what that looks like. This is the spider's head. It goes right there. I still have to foam him. All that the eyes are is just a couple pieces of cardboard layered on top of each other, and then the lenses are actually, it's just contact paper wrapped around to kind of give it that frosted look, and then I just use electrical tape around the edges. I did glue it down to make it to where it really would stay, and then I just glued them straight on to where the holes were for the eyes. Hopefully here pretty soon I'll be able to get him foamed. I have to finish the body, but it should be okay. I just have to get going on it. As you can tell, I have a lot of pumpkins in my garage and a lot of trash because I need to clean my garage. So that's what we have done so far. Hopefully this will heal here pretty soon so I can actually start messing with the spider again. I kind of need both hands to do it. Luckily though, I am able to work on all the pumpkins that I still have left, because that is a never-ending project. Monster mudding those things. I will be lucky if I ever get it finished.